Is blogging dead? Very important question that is on every blogger's mind in these days. This question arises on every blogger's mind whenever Google comes up with core update. Now, this recent core update has brought shivers on every new blogger's mind. The pro bloggers will not be afraid of these core updates because they have vast experience and they have gone through so many such core updates every year or every 6 months. So they are not worried at all. So this video is basically for the new bloggers. You must have watched videos on this subject already, but I wanted to share my thoughts via this video and convince my viewers not to stop blogging but to continue irrespective of these core updates. Now, let us understand why Google brings core updates every 6 months. Because people are playing games. People are using false ways to drive traffic onto their sites. Google is paying you sincerely, but in the bargain, Google is losing revenue. The advertisers are losing revenue. If advertisers will not make profit, they will start losing faith on Google and they will go to different platforms for advertising. So Google has to be shrewd here. They have to stop all this cheating. So they decide to check on these sites that are not genuine. Sites not providing genuine content and not getting organic traffic but driving fake traffic must be stopped. Remember, there are many means sources to drive fake traffic. So these fakes must be stopped. Even if you are the owner of some company, you will also do the same. Sack and terminate the fake people. In other words, you will find those culprits and punish them, right? But you will not close your company. So is Google. Google search engine will never close because it's their most profitable business and hence blogging will never die. Who will give Google free content every day? How many people can Google employ to write content from where they will bring original content? So Google needs you and me. But Google wants genuine people to write content. They want genuine organic content, organic traffic. I have seen these days in one of my sites the traffic going down, but not much. It will rise gradually. I know that. I'm not afraid of these core updates because I am providing genuine content. I am getting organic traffic. Maybe I'm not earning as I expect. But remember the hare and the tortoise story, slow and steady wins the race. So if you are copy pasting content, then you need to worry. If you are generating AI and pasting content, then you have to worry. Now, what are the merits and demerits in this present situation? I will share my 5 years blogging experience with you. So watch and listen carefully. First, we will talk on the merits so that you stay motivated. After that, you can decide by your own whether to continue blogging or leave blogging. First, in blogging, there is no doubt that you can earn money. You can, maybe lots or maybe little. There is no limit because it all depends on every blog niche. Some blogs run successfully, some don't. But to be a successful blogger, you need to have skills. You need to work longer hours without keeping gaps. I've been stopping to write content because that will decrease traffic from your site. So that covers up skill. Now comes time and consistency. Are you able to give them or maintain them regularly? If yes, then blogging is for you. If no, stop blogging from today. It's not your choice. Better hunt, search for a job. But here is one point that I would like to share with you. When you had started blogging, you were a big zero. You had no knowledge of SEO. You did not know how to write an article. You did not know how to find a keyword. You did not know how you can generate organic traffic, etc. etc. There are so many things which you have learned already. So instead of doing blogging, you can start writing content for others and charge them. So it was not waste learning blogging. So the next best point after learning blogging is, maybe you are not earning money in these 2-3 years, but you are persistent and writing regularly. Then in the coming years, you will start earning for sure. And this site will grow for years and it will become a branded site. I have uploaded a video on one of my favorite niche. Here is the video. Watch that video and understand what I have said. Your site will grow if you work on that niche because you are writing in your own mother tongue and there is no chance of writing AI content. So there won't be any issues related to fake traffic as you will start getting genuine traffic. Concentrate on just one blog. Grow that blog and grow your money. A perfect income generating machine blogging is at your old age. Mark my words. Remember, if your income starts to grow, it means gradually your income will be much more than your salary if you are working. So this is the benefit of blogging. Now let's talk about the demerits. Google comes up with so many core updates, so there is no surety that your blog will always generate the same amount of money. With core updates, the traffic of many sites goes down from 15K to 10K and reduced to 0K, while the other sites will grow gradually. Some sites may never get back to its original position. Next, due to some reason, your AdSense account gets banned permanently and then you are not able to have another AdSense on your name. Yes, you can create another AdSense account on your family member's name. So it means that your income will stop and maybe your site can also become a zero value site. So then it means new AdSense and new site, again a lot of time barbad, a lot of time wastage. So my friend, need to be careful. Next, imagine that you have started a new site. Imagine you are a new blogger. You are giving a lot of time to write articles, expecting your site to get monetized and you start earning money. There is no guarantee that even after getting an AdSense approval, your site will grow. Even after that, the site can become a worthless site. No traffic, no money. So in short, time wastage and money wastage on domain and hosting. The same time and money you could have invested in something better. So keep all these points in your mind and decide what is best for you. Don't simply watch motivated videos and get excited. Blogging is not a piece of cake. To tell you the truth, I am still struggling in these 5 years of blogging because I am working sincerely and genuinely. So I shared my thoughts on this video for you. Now you decide what you're gonna do. So meet you again soon. You take care. Bye bye.